Hey guys, guess what? I have a Dollar Tree haul. I'm making my Valentine's wreath and I had narrow ribbon at home, but I didn't have 2 rolls of any of it. And I need 2 rolls for my wreath. So I got another one of these in case I wanted extra roses on it or for something else. They have these again, thank God. I was so happy. I use these, I don't know where I got the idea from. I'm sure it wasn't an original idea, but I'll take 2 of them and then thread Valentine ribbon through and then decorate the front and put little goodies inside for a little Valentine gift. So I got 10 of them. I still have a couple at home, but I really like them. They make really cool gifts. They're easy to make, they're inexpensive, and they look awesome. So I decided I was going to try, they have these canvases, so I got 2 of the 5x7, that's 100% natural cotton canvas. I had gotten those gouache paints for Christmas, so I thought it'd be fun just to play around with those. And I got Paw Patrol Valentine's. I'm going to send that to Liz for Jax. And I got another one of these frames. My picture that I put in there, my painting, it worked out really well. So I have another one of with the same size paper. So I'm going to do the same thing. The only thing is I don't have the mat, the right size. So what I do, this is just a cheating way to do it, and it doesn't look that great, but it's not bad. You'd have to look at it real closely. I just take this, turn it around, and then I tape the painting on top of that. Isn't that lazy? But mats are expensive, especially for my little paintings that, I mean, it's just for me in my craft room. I don't care. I got this container. I wanted to get something for all of my Faber-Castell pencils. I got the 120 set for Christmas, and I had also, before that came on Cyber Monday sale, I had ordered the 36 set. So I wanted a nice soft container to put my pencils in. And I rubber band them according to color ways, you know, the blues, the greens, da-da-da. Got some vegetable crackers. We're having wine night tonight. A couple of my friends from the dog park. Tuesday night is wine night, and so I'm gonna bring those, and then I'm gonna stop and get some sausage. I think a little sausage and cheese tray, and Tina's bringing, I think she has some leftover cheese from Christmas, like a cheese ball or something. And I'm not sure what Ellen's gonna do, but. And I got 2 more of the sugar-free French vanilla cream, coffee syrups. Now that they're back, I thought for sure that they were gone, that they were not gonna carry them anymore. I got some stuff, for Valentine's Day presents to send to Hawaii. Liz and Jax go through the chalk quite a bit, so I got another one of those. And then these, they have the little locket blocks. We sent him some Tinker Toys because I guess he loves to build stuff. So I got these 5 colors, and then I got 2 of the base plates so he can build things on here. I'll just have to tell Liz just to be careful to not step on these. Yeah, the black one. I think I showed you that one. So I got a green, so I thought that would look like grass, and then the gray, which might look like concrete. I got those for Valentine's Day. It's warmed back up again, you guys. We had a couple of days where it was really cold, and by really cold I mean mid-20s, which is cold for here. But now we've warmed back up and I don't have my coat on. It's really nice. And the TV series, Project Blue Book, starts tonight. So I don't know if I'll be back from wine night in time, but we haven't scheduled to record anyway. I like to watch the recording so I don't have to sit through all the flipping commercials, all the prescription drug commercials. I found these. So I got 2 craft bottles. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. These are so cute if you want to do a fairy or a mermaid thing, you know, and just glue the stuff to the cap and decorate it. I got 2 of those. And I decided to get the MDF love sign to paint. That'd be fun. Or maybe I'll just send it to Liz. Maybe she'll paint it. Got another hydrocortisone cream. And I had seen Angie Bell, Fairy Treasures, is that her channel? And she had taken some of these and had redone them. And they turned out beautiful. So I'm going to have to go watch her video again. But I thought she was pretty. And look at her hair. It's the kind of pale blonde and then the bright blonde. I got a little one of these to send to Jax. Just a cute little mailbox with the, that goes up. And so I might just get a little candy to put in there for him. These are the ones that I got for my wreath. I got those. I got some more chenille stems. Or pipe cleaners, as we used to call them. And some of our reusable containers are getting kind of beat up. We use them for the dog food. We home cook dog food, and then we also feed them raw hamburger and raw stew meat. So I buy big packs of that and divide them up into containers. And then we use them for our food too. Tony, Mike's son Tony, bought us an air fryer for Christmas. Oh my God. That thing is amazing. I've cooked hamburgers and I cooked a steak in there. Almost as good as the grill, no lie. And then if I just want a couple of hamburgers, Mike doesn't have to fire up the grill and stand out there. I just put them in the air fryer, and for 2 hamburgers it takes, for me, I like them more well done. If you like them medium rare to medium, 12 minutes will do it, but I'm really liking it. Some more of the containers. These are the bonus. There's 4 instead of 3, and the other one were 3 instead of 2. And then I got these ribbons for the felt hearts. I know I have some other ones at home, but I wanted to make sure I had enough. And then I found these, the Rapid Brownie Baker. I think it's an as seen on TV. But I've been making keto desserts, and I thought that might be a good way to do it instead of heating up the oven. So, I don't know. Reusable and BPA free, dishwasher safe, makes perfect brownies every time. And I got one for my daughter, because I know she likes to bake. And I wouldn't buy it if it was regular price though, but since it was cheap, I got it. So now I am off to Ross on Tuesdays at Senior Day. They get a little discount. I'm going to go to Ross, and then because I'm looking for, just wanted to make sure I showed you everything. We have a big alcove over our TV, and it measures about 4 feet in length, a little more than 2 feet high and 2 feet deep. And it was great for our Christmas village. We set that up in there. But now that the holidays are over, we don't have anything to put in there really. Mike, of course, wants something electronic, which I don't want. So I have 2 friends who are really good at decorating. So I texted both of them and asked for some ideas. And one, she said to put like a shelf in there and then maybe an antique camera and some books. And so I kind of like that idea. So I've looked at several places, haven't found anything. We looked at Target, we looked at the at-home store, I looked at Walmart. So I'm gonna, and looked online, so I'm gonna go to Ross and see if I can find something. And then I just have to get a little cheese and sausage tray for wine night tonight. So yeah, that's how it's going for me. Today is the 8th of January. And wow, oh, and we're selling our other house here. My friend was gonna buy it, and then they decided that they couldn't manage it. So we put it on the market. We got a full price offer today. with very few contingencies. I think the only contingency was a home warranty package for them. So if everything goes through just fine, we'll be done with that house. So okay guys, I hope you're doing well. I hope it's not too cold and miserable where you are. Here it's beautiful. It's 54 degrees. It's slightly overcast, but it's a very nice day, no wind, and that's about it. I have a couple more videos coming up. I bought a pencil sharpener that's really cool. I got that off of AliExpress, and then this awesome vintage coloring book. So I'm going to be doing videos on those. Okay guys, love you. Take care. See you later. Bye.